Hey YouTube, it's your girl Bree. Welcome back to my channel. Come get ready with me.
I was literally getting ready for a photo shoot while filming this, so when I mention it later, don't be like, huh? But I'm getting ready to leave very soon for the shoot, and I'm excited, and I don't really know what to expect, but hopefully it comes out well. But other than that, I don't have anything else to say. I don't know if I said it in another video, but I hit like 500 subs on YouTube, and then I just hit 1K on Instagram on my cosplay account. If you don't follow my cosplay account, follow me on there, because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna end up posting the photos from the shoot on my account at some point. Don't know when, but it'll probably be before the 25th of May. But other than that, I don't have anything else to say except for thank you for everybody that's been following me and like watching my old videos more recently and commenting and stuff like that. But yeah, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye.